guys, so in today's video I want to show you guys just a little easy Halloween type look, and this is pretty much just going to be a scarecrow look. I'm going to show you guys how you can create your very own Halloween costume right from the comfort of your own home. It's more like a little DIY scarecrow type look, and I'm going to show you guys how you can achieve a quick little Halloween look, just so you don't have to go outside, go out to Party City or Spirit Halloween, and you ain't gotta go out and buy no Halloween costume. Girl, just follow this tutorial. You're gonna need some type of ink liner, and I am using the NYX Professional Makeup Epic ink liner, and I love these. Now these are a bit expensive. They're not even expensive, but like they're not $1. They're more like $6-7 for these type of pens. So I'm gonna just use the color black, and this is just a regular ink liner pencil, and I love these for these type of looks. I love these. It has the pointy top, and it glides so smoothly. Look at that, you guys. So that's the reason why I'm just going to just use this for today's scarecrow tutorial. So first we're just gonna, I don't even know if I'm gonna need a mirror for this, which I might. So I've just completed my makeup for today. That's the first thing that you should do, is just do your whole makeup, do what you usually do. And whenever you're doing this, make sure you do more like a natural type look. All right. So first things first, you're just going to draw a line across. Just like so. And y'all line don't have to be perfect. And then you're gonna take the same one, and now you're gonna draw probably about 4 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're just gonna take the same, and we're just gonna make about four dots. So we got 4 dots on the top, 4 dots on the bottom, and do the same thing. I am going to use some paint. I'm just going to use some acrylic paint, and this is in the color Crimson Red. So I'm just going to use this crimson paint, and I'm gonna just take a little bit on my finger, and I'm just gonna make like a little red nose. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit more paint. This paint does dry a little fast, so you're definitely gonna have to be real fast with this paint because it's acrylic paint and it'll start peeling off. So now that my little red nose is finished, it's completed. We're just going to have that dry for a little bit, and then now we're just gonna draw a line. Just hope this is dry. I am so nervous, y'all. So there goes my perfect little red nose. Now we're just gonna draw a line here. Now for my blush, I am going to use the Box of Crayons case eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to just use the red that they have here, and I'm just going to go in with my Real Techniques blush brush, and I'm just going to dip a little bit. I'll just put a little bit more. just take a little bit more. So we've already have gotten the mouth, but we're not finished with the mouth just yet. So I am just gonna take a black eyeliner pencil, and I'm also going to be using this Rimmel London Show Off Lip Lacquer, and this is in the color Big Bang. Now that is a that's more like a older type of lip gloss that I found back in Walgreens like a while ago. So I'm not really sure if they sell that anymore, but alright. And there's no, like, it doesn't have to be like perfect, but again, we are not no professionals here. We are just trying to create our very own Scarecrow look here, okay? And you guys could use any type of red. That you prefer. Hell, it's Halloween. Up my lip a little bit. So this is the lip color that I have no option to choose because that's the only red that I have. I could have sworn I had a red lipstick, but I'm not sure where it's at right now. All right, so so this is almost the finished look. Now we ain't done yet. So we have our red lip, we have our blush, and so far, how much was this? Not even a lot, okay? So next, I'm gonna show you guys the shirt and how I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. I got this shirt from Fashion Nova probably about a few weeks ago. I got this shirt from Fashion Nova. And this is gonna be my shirt that I'm gonna wear with this Scarecrow look, because I felt like it's giving more like Scarecrow-ish vibes. Put this on. And then I am going to be wearing this wig. This is Bobbi Boss Atlas. And this is just a blonde wig, you guys. Nothing spectacular. Then And voila, you guys. This is an easy way to style any wig into a scarecrow. And I'm just gonna comb this out a little bit. I hate when I have to deal with these wigs and these flyaways, y'all. So comb this out a little bit. And voila, you guys. This is the complete look of my scarecrow look. Simple, with something in your closet, okay? Something so simple in your closet. And it was kind of giving cowboy scarecrow vibe just because of the hat, but if you have a straw hat, most definitely go for it. Just to give it a little pop, go for it. But I don't have a straw hat, so this is what I'm just gonna have to go with.